Am I mentally ill? I get to do this. I'm chopping out the waste for a half-blind dovetail joint for the case of a dresser that I'm making. And you see, I'm doing this by hand. Am I insane? Check this out. This is what I'm doing. I'm cutting all of these out by hand. There are other ways to do this. I could use a router. That'd be my number one choice, right? For the half blind side. For a full through dovetail or the tail side, I could use a bandsaw, I could use a table saw, I could use a router, I could use a CNC machine. But no, I'm using one of these, handsaw, marking gauges. I must be insane. Whatever. Maybe I am. But there's something to be said for craftsmanship and well, I can't even say part of the. So why am I doing this by hand? Well, I happen to find it relaxing to some extent. I'm beating a snot out of a chisel with a mallet. Oh yeah, I made that too. Maybe I'm frustrated. I don't know. If I'm frustrated, why not just beat the snot out of a chisel with a mallet? Work out some frustrations. Well, that's not the case. I'm not frustrated. I'm a very happy man. I mean, here it is. It's Monday morning. I could be sitting behind a desk, staring at a computer, working in a factory, being in the army. Did that. Got that t-shirt, right? All kinds of things I could be doing to quote unquote eke out a living. But fortunately, I've already done those things. And now I spend the vast majority of my time doing this. Creating, making, having fun. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm having fun. If I happen to create or make something that is useful, pretty, at least in my eyes, well, that's just a byproduct of me having fun. So, you tell me. Am I insane?